Hello everyone, I am Chirag Ghosh. My roll number is 20 CS10020. I am from section 1. So we meet again for the assignment number 4 in DIY project. For that, first I will start by opening Proteus. Okay, so for the first part of the assignment, I am going to open a sample project which is Arduino Motors example. So as you can see, it has already provided a schematic capture and also a source code. First I am going to remove everything present in the source code and then I will add my own lines. As you can see, I have finished writing my code. Now I will compile it. Okay, so I'll quickly explain what's going on here. I have defined 3 pins, pin number 12, pin number 8 and pin number 6. The pin number 12 is attached to the input pin, which will make the motor run in a particular direction or in the opposite direction. Pin number 8 is the brake pin. I have disabled it. And pin number 6 is the pin through which I will give PWM input so that it will run the motor in a particular speed. As you can see, the compilation has been successful. So now we will go to the schematic capture and I will start the simulation. And as you can see, our motor is running. We can also change the speed of the motor by just changing the value of PWM. Let me change it to 100. Okay, so we will run the simulation again. This time, as you can see, it is running slowly. So basically, by changing the value of the PWM, we can change the speed of the motor. However, we should take care that our value should be between 0 to 250. If above 250, then the motor may misbehave. So for the second part of the assignment, first I will go to command prompt, then I will start the Node-RED server. Okay, so my server is now running. Now I will go to this address. Okay, so here we are in Node-RED. Let us go to flow number 2. And here I will create a user interface of which for which we are not using Arduino, but it will give us an idea about the Node-RED. For that, I'll add a button, 2 sliders, 2 gauges, 2 charts. The sliders will be used to change the values. The button, I'll make that a reset button, and the gauges will provide real-time values for those. First, let me connect this. And I think we are done. Okay, I'll quickly explain the setup. The temperature and the pressure slides are used to provide inputs. These inputs are used by the gauges and the charts to provide a real-time display of the data. The reset button is a button which is used to reset the value of temperature and pressure to 0. I have made 3 groups. The reset temperature and pressure is in the control group, the gauges are in the gauge group, and the charts are in the charts group. Now let's go to the dashboard and let's reload. Okay, so here we go. We change the pressure, the gauge changes, and also the chart. Also, if you change the temperature, the same thing happens. If I press the reset button, then they go to their previous state, that is 0. We can also see this Node-RED dashboard in our mobile phone and also control it via the IP address of my computer, which I am going to show you now. So as you can see, when I change the bar, it also changes the bar in the mobile phone. It takes a time. I can also use these things to actually change and reset, as you can see. Thank you.